In this session, we discuss addressing in TCP/IP. TCP/IP model has four types of addresses: physical addresses, logical addresses, port addresses, and specific addresses. Each type of addresses are related to a different layer. That layer deals these addresses. Physical addresses operate in host to network layer, logical addresses in internet layer, port addresses in transport layer, specific addresses in application layer. Physical address, it is also called MAC address or link address. It is the address of the node. It physically exists in memory. The physical address is available on network interface card NIC. When you buy a computer, you'll get an NIC, on that it is imprinted. It is the lowest level address and it is included in the frame by data link layer. Size and format, it depends. MAC addresses has 3 or more some formats. The format here I mentioned is Ethernet format because Ethernet is more popular in the connection of LANs. See the address given here. Zero 7:01 and so on. All the 071 are hexadecimal digit. Each pair of hexadecimal digits is separated by a colon. Colon is the delimiter for a pair. If you convert each bit to binary, each hexadecimal digit can be converted to 4 digits. So totally in binary form, we get 48 binary digits. 48-bit address is this physical address. Let us consider how this physical address is dealt. Four hosts are shown here, four systems. See the sender, receiver, in between there are two other systems. Their physical address are: sender has a physical address 10, receiver has 87, other two has 28 and 53. On sender side, in TCP model, application layer generates data, right? Two layers we are considering for discussion's sake. Remaining things are not necessary, their role is there. Data, to the data, network layer adds addresses, physical addresses, 87, 10. So 10 is the source address, 87. From source 10, message is being sent to destination 87. Others also receive this message, these two systems, but this is having address 28 not matching with 87. This is having physical address 53 not matching with destination address. So only this system receives the message. The data is sent to the receiver. So identification, whether the message is to itself or not, that is done by seeing the destination address in the header. Logical address, physical address is there, but it is not enough. It identifies that host within that LAN. There must be some global address. When you are using internet, there should be a unique global level address that is called logical address. That is, logical address identifies your network, its connection. You are connected to internet. That connection is identified. Within that network, again, physical address is to be used. Logical address is length is 32 bits. We are considering here IPv4 addressing. In IPv6, it is 128 bits. Differences are included in the table. Logical address is a virtual address. It doesn't exist physically. Physical address exists physically, available in the memory. Logical address is generated in by CPU while running program. It is generated by memory management unit. It is computed by. Lengthwise, logical address 32 bits. This is 48 bits. Logical address can be viewed by the user, and this physical address can't be viewed directly. One device can have one physical address here. One device can have many logical addresses. One thing is, if logical address is available, you can get physical address using a protocol called Address Resolution Protocol, ARP. We discussed in TCP/IP model. Similarly, reverse. If physical address is available, logical address can be obtained by using a RARP, Reverse Address Resolution Protocol. Now, let us see the role of network in handling physical as well as IP addresses. There are two systems, sender, receiver. For each system, addresses are mentioned. See the sender on the top of the system. A by 10 is written. A is IP address, 10 is physical address of the sender. Similarly, receiver has P as IP address, 95 as physical address. There are three LANs. Each LAN has one input point and one output point. Two routers are used. Router has three connections. One connection is for network layer. Other two connections are being used here. So A is sending here, and router 1 and router 2, any router you take, at the input side, output side, the addresses are different. F is the IP address on input side of router 1, T is the IP address on the output side. Similarly, 20 is the physical address on input side, 99 is the physical address of the output. Similarly, for this. Now, let us come to the transmission of data. So, A, sender, it is application layer, generates data. Then network layer adds logical address, that is IP address of sender and receiver. So, from A to P, A is the sender IP address, P is the, see this one, receiver IP address. Then the packet goes to the next layer, data link layer. Data link layer there adds a header and tailor. Header contains addresses, physical addresses. Tailor contains error related information and some metadata. See the addresses here. From is from 10 to 20. From 10 means from A. A is having physical address 10. But it has to be written 95. 95 10. 20 is written. The reason is MAC addresses are not directly used for communication. So what it needs here is routing protocol decides the route. On this route there are two routers. First router information. What is the physical address of the first router? 20, that is written here. So this reaches the input of that router. At router 1 sees the physical addresses. Destination address is 20, that is its address. It understands that it is for this router. But immediately it sees the logical address P. P is not the logical address. F. P is somewhere there, here. So I have to transmit again. It decides. Well, transmission at its output. See, again, physical address are changed. 99 is written. 99 is the next router input side physical. 99 to 33. 99 is this one. 33 is this one. Router 2 input side. N is the IP address. 33 is the physical address. So it comes here. This router sees physical address 33 is there. It's for me. It identifies. But IP address is P. So it's meant for this system. It transmits to the next node. Next node means its output side address is 66. Input address, output address both are different for a router. Physical address as well as IP address. IP address. And by 66. It changes to 95. 33 is there. 33 is changed to 95. 95 is this one. So next to router, there is no next to router or switch. It is the receiver. It reaches this one. Then the system checks this. Yes, destination address is meant for this. IP address is also IP address of the receiver. Then data goes to the receiver. Suppose a receiver sends something, some information. In all the things, what we have to change is the physical addresses. We have to interchange. Source address becomes destination, destination becomes source. Swapping of sender and receiver address at each level, right? For example, 95, 66 is written, 66 to 95. So 65, 66, 95 is to be written here. These two are to be interchanged. These two are to be interchanged. Right. Port addresses. In the process of transmission, node to node, system to system transmission is not enough. Actually, the message has to start from the application running on one computer and reach similar application running on the other system. That is, process to process data transfer. Process means application program. So each process is identified by a label, 16-bit label in TCP/IP called port number or port address. For example, I am running FTP and also Telnet. FTP for transferring some file to my friend. Internet for ordering something on Amazon. Then on the other side, when I send a file FTP using FTP, it has to reach that FTP protocol on the other side, right? So now FTP is given port number 21. Some fixed numbers are given to well-known protocols. Telnet is given 23. So port number is to be specified. Example given is 753. In binary 16-bit port address. See this, process to process communication means A is sender, P is receiver. A means the IP address is A for sender and IP address of receiver is P. A is running three processes, A, B, C. There may be port number say A, B, C, right? Three processes. P is running two processes, J and K. Suppose data is to be sent from process A on sender side to process J on receiver side, AJ. See here what is happening. All layers are explained clearly. A part of this is already explained in the previous diagram. Let it be repeated. Sender side, application layer generates data, first thing. Then transport layer adds process address, process A to process J. Network layer adds IP address. IP address of source is A, destination is P, AP. Right? Then data link layer adds header and trailer. The header contains source and destination addresses. Now the packet entire information is converted to binary and the bit pattern is sent on internet to the other side, data link layer of the receiver. There network, this data link layer identifies the sender receiver addresses. The network layer identifies the logical addresses. Transport layer identifies process addresses. So it is from process A to J. So data should go to J. Then application layer takes the data and sends it to the process J on receiver side. This is regarding third type of address, port address, physical address, logical address, port address. Fourth type of addresses, specific addresses, user-friendly addresses. No binary address is user-friendly, right? 32 bits means you can't remember. Here, simple words are there. User-friendly addresses are designed. Two such addresses are Universal Resource Locator, URL, Universal Resource Locator URL, and email address. URL, this type of address we used so many times, www.tcs.com. I want some information from TCS company. So I will reach the website using this address. So to find a document on the World Wide Web, we use URL, locator, resource locator. Email address, it defines the email ID of the receiver, recipient's email ID. anyhow they are user friendly. For the system point of view, these addresses however get changed to the corresponding port and logical addresses by sending computers by sender. Summary. So using logical address, the network can reach your connection. You connected to internet, that network. Within that network, physical address is used to locate your particular node, and port address is the address of application running on the computer, and the specific address means user friendly addresses like URL and email. Thank you.